After I've made the video about installing the new Microsoft Edge, I received some questions on how to revert to the older version of Microsoft Edge. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove the new Microsoft Edge and go back to the older version. You need to click on the Windows logo, click on Settings, go to Apps, and here you need to remove Microsoft Edge. So click on it and click on Uninstall. Confirm. And confirm once again. And here you go. You see that the older Microsoft Edge was restored by itself. And here you'll have a screen from Microsoft asking you, why did you remove the new Edge? Just feel free to close it. And you see here that we returned to the older Microsoft Edge. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching.